I was sent something really cool to do a review on. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed and see what it's all about.
This is a miniature car polisher for car detailing and waxing. So right on the top here, we have some polishing cloth. We've got 3 bags of different size polishing wheels, some smaller pads and wheels. Looks like we have an instruction manual and some tools. Looks like a disc for mounting the pads to. Device right here for mounting the pads. Power charger. Looks like another attachment for the different wheels that we have. Lithium ion battery packs. These are 12 volt, 2000 milliamp hour. And then the polisher itself. So this has definitely got a little bit of weight to it. Right on the top here, we have a negative, positive, the on off switch. And then right here is where the battery goes. Battery slides in there nice and easy and latches. Right on the top, we have the power button. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different speeds. All right, so this little Velcro piece will screw right into that. All right, so this little piece right here goes down into that hole, and it looks like you push back on this and it goes in and latches. So the little polishing wheels right here is what goes on that one. Different feels to the fabric, from light to more dense. And then of course this one right here, which has the little polishing material on there. Let's go ahead and put that one on here. Very nice. Definitely could use some polishing up on my nails there. Looks really good. All right, and the bigger disc fits in this one right here. Same thing, pull back on this, and that piece drops right in there. So let's check out the pads that work on this one. Same thing, you've got the little fluffy fabric right here that goes on there with the Velcro. And 2 different densities right here. One that has like a waffle pattern, and then this one here, which is flatter. Very nice. Woo! Now let's take a look at the cloth. Oh, even comes with some gloves. 2 little polishing rags. Material looks really good. Feels really good. Looks like it has 2 different sides to it. This side and then this side right here. In my opinion, this feels really good. And I really like this for the simple fact it allows you to get into small spaces that you normally can't get into with a large buffer and polisher. It has this really small attachment which would be really good for small areas like on motorcycles and just polishing your different type metals in tight locations. Very nice. You know, I have used some larger buffers in the past, but this is very nice for the simple fact it just allows you to get into areas that you cannot get into with a larger buffer. And the fact that it has several different speeds, all the way down to the lowest speed right there, all the way up to number 6, which is your highest speed. Very nice. So in my opinion, this is a lot of bang for the buck. You get a lot of material in here to use and get started for whatever buffing project that you might have. It comes with several different smaller pieces and a lot of your different larger pieces for the bigger buffing wheel. Comes with 2 different sizes, a small and this one here. Very nice. 2 batteries and the charger.
All the facts and details are right there on the page. I hope this helps, and we will talk to you in the next one.